So you just downloaded a photo from the internet to your Chromebook device, but now where is the photo is located, and also how do we access the photo that we just downloaded from the internet? Here's how I can do it. I'm going to save this photo to my Chromebook device. I'm going to right click and I'm going to click Save Image As. And after that, I have the option to select where the photo should be stored. Now by default, it will be placed under the downloads folder, and I'm going to click Save. So usually once you downloaded a photo, there's going to be this tiny notification on the bottom right corner of the screen. And if you want to access the photo, you can click Show in Folder, and you should be able to see this photo. This is the puppy photo that I just downloaded. But how do you actually get to this directory? Well, it's pretty simple. First, you have to open the launcher menu and click Files. And you might want to navigate to the Downloads folder, which is the default folder to store the download data. And we got this photo again. So that was the simple way to actually access the photo that you just downloaded from the internet to your Chromebook device. Now, notice that when I download something, there's going to be a notification, small notification on the right side of the screen. But there is a case where the notification might not appear, and that's usually because the Do Not Disturb mode is activated. So previously, when I downloaded this photo, there's going to be a notification. There's a square notification right here. But if the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled, then if I download the photo, and I'm going to select the same folder as before, I won't see the notification anymore. It's still being downloaded, but I don't see the notification, which is probably going to make it difficult for some people to access the downloaded photo. But don't worry about that. You can also go back to the Files menu and then open the download folder to see the photo that you just downloaded. Now you can also see there is a preview right here. You can click on it and it will reveal the thing that you just downloaded. So there are few info here, but don't have to worry about that. There is this file that I just downloaded, and you can click on this icon to open the download directory, and it will give me the same files directory as before, but it's going to be quicker because you can click on this section and then open the download directory right from here. So those are some of the ways to instantly open or access the files that you just downloaded from the internet to your Chromebook device. So if you want this video to be helpful, then please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next tutorial video.